Oral quiz. World Food Program. 128 million people around the world receive assistance from this fund. 50,600 trucks and 100 planes and 20 ships are on the move daily to prevent people from starvation. 15 million children receive nutrition meals, enabling them to develop in other areas. Donation. Donation to the fund are made through the program official website. The World Food Program basis is donation on helping people around the world to not fall into a famine. Helping from the poorest children to older people, donation are received through the official website of the program, where you succeed and monthly donate a certain amount that will help the program to continue to grow worldwide. It is a very good cause because it's preventing million people around the world for lack of optimal nutrition. And it is very easy to try donation since this program is worldwide and is monitored by many countries.